Hello beautiful, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well. I know I'm starting my videos recently by saying this, but I really hope you guys are doing well. Today I have this makeup look inspired by coffee. Actually, cafecito and coffee beans inspired this makeup look. These two shades right here from the Latte to eyeshadow palette. Also, I used one shade from the Tati Beauty palette. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, I feel like it's so cute, and actually it was very easy to achieve, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, also I used pigment from Colourpop and Kathleenlights. So yeah guys, I feel like this intro is so long. If you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. I just can't get over. Do you guys like my baby girl hoops? I got them on Shein. They are weightless and actually they are pretty cute. I really like them. So yeah guys, I guess that's it for today's video. As I said in the intro, I don't like how this primer works with this foundation. I want to try this primer with a different foundation, but other than that, everything worked nice for me today. It was a good makeup day. I mean, it still is. So let me know down below, what do you guys think? I really like it. As I said, I feel like I'm missing some, I don't know, some pearls or some gemstones, something, you know, something to this makeup look. Even though it's not simple, don't get me wrong, but I feel like it's missing something. Maybe a butterfly. I'm going to stick a butterfly on my eyes. No, I'm just kidding. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.